Hey everybody, Terrence here with the Chelsea Area Chamber of Commerce, coming to you with another business spotlight interview. Today I'm joined by Tim Mann with Train the Brain. Tim, how are you doing?
Doing great.
Wonderful. All right, as always, let's start with a little bit of history. What brought you to start Train the Brain?
I was hit by a drunk driver while parked on the side of the highway. Fractured 11 bones, went into a coma, was diagnosed with PTSD and emergent mood disorder. And once I got out of rehabilitation, I started practicing the Wim Hof method, and it really helped me. So then I decided to go to Poland, get certified, bring the practice back to Michigan and all over the country, really, run workshops from Maine all the way down to Florida and Texas. So I'm all over running these workshops, hoping to help people in the same way it helped me.
I think you win the gold star for most interesting origin story laid out in 1 minute there. That's crazy, man. I'm sorry to hear that that happened to you, but it's exciting that it brought you to this new thing.
Absolute blessing.
Yeah, yeah, that's wonderful. Well, way to look on the bright side, but it sounds like Train the Brain is part of the reason that you're able to do that. So why don't you take a minute and tell everybody what Train the Brain does?
So Train the Brain is my own private practice. I offer counseling services and Wim Hof method workshops.
All right. And then tell us a little bit about, the cold plunge is a big part of this, and maybe that's not the right word for it, but yeah, tell us a little bit about that.
So if you come to a workshop, we would do a presentation all about the science behind the method, health benefits, proper protocols. We do breath work, which is really cyclical hyperventilation.
Okay.
Helps create a bunch of adrenaline and healthy endorphins and cell messaging proteins in the body that are anti-inflammatory. And then we do an ice plunge. And the plunge is fantastic because it gives you a huge boost of neurotransmitters like dopamine and noradrenaline. Those directly affect your mood and your energy. And they're low cost and accessible resources to almost everybody on the planet.
That's awesome. Yeah, and you've been doing this for how long now?
A couple of years.
Couple of years, and it's just been blowing up. I hear more and more about this, and we're so lucky to have you right here in the community doing it. I heard you recently, potentially, I don't know if we're allowed to talk about it, but I might be going to see.
Yeah,
Let's leave that alone. You got some big stuff on the way. Outside of that, you have some stuff coming up in October, though, that people can come check it out, right?
Absolutely. I got a breathwork class October 5th in Ann Arbor.
Okay.
And a full out Wim Hof method workshop at Misty Farm, beautiful venue.
Yeah.
October 8th in Ann Arbor.
October 4th, October 8th.
October 5th and October
October 5th and October 8th. And everybody can find that information on your website.
trainthebrainllc.com.
Awesome. All right. Well, thanks for taking a second to tell us a little bit about this. Everybody get out there and check out Train the Brain LLC. And you can find him on his website or obviously on social media and the Chamber's website and all that good stuff. So, yeah.
Thank you for allowing me to come on here.
Oh, of course.
I really appreciate it.
No problem. I look forward to seeing it all in action. All right, everybody. Have a good rest of your day, and we'll talk to you soon.